Hello everyone, today we're going to have a Stampli demo, so please watch till then to properly understand the video. And if you want to create an account on Stampli, you can use our link in the description down below where you can get discounts or rewards upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first it was, what is Stampli? So Stampli is an AI-powered procure to pay or P2P accounts payable AP automation platform that helps organization streamline invoice processing, approval, payments, and vendor management. So it's aimed to reduce manual work, improve visibility and control, and centralize communication around invoices. So it integrates with ERPs and accounting systems so that data flows to from uh, the system of record. One of its key features is invoice processing or captures. Invoices are ingested, data is extracted via OCR or AI, and it also have duplicate and exception flagging. So the system detects likely duplicate invoices or mismatches. It has a PO matching, so matches invoice lines to purchase orders and good receipts. And it actually also have approval workflow and routing and routes invoice to the right approvers, supports custom workflows, etc., and other important features. So how Stamply works? So here's a typical flow of how an invoice moves through Stamply and how the system assists at each page. So number one, it has invoice ingestions or captures. So invoice arrives, whether it is an email, vendor portal, PDF, or scan paper. And now Stamply's AI reads the invoice and extract data from there. For example, the vendor name, the invoice number, the line items and amounts. And if duplicates or anomalies are detected, they are flagged for a review. And that is done automatically. And number two is matching or validations for invoices tied to purchase orders. Stamply performs two-way or three-way matching, invoice to PO to receipt, and any discrepancies or exceptions are flagged and routed for resolution. And for approval routing, the system determines or suggests the correct approver chain based on rules, amount, thresholds, vendor, etc. And the approvers get notification or task and can ask questions or attach documents on the invoice itself. And also they have coding and final approval posting, payment execution, and post processing and analytics. If you go to the website right here, stamply.com, this is the homepage. This is the main website of Stamply, and if you want, you can just log in for an account. And before you can do that, you need to click this one, let's talk, so that you can book a demo for uh for the application. So the application comes with a price, and you can see the pricing right here. You can just click the pricing in order to see how much the application cost. And this is the Stamply pricing, and you can inquire or invest for a subscription right here. So you can book a demo today. You can just input your first name, last name, email, phone number, company HQ location, number of your employees, and what ERP are you currently using. And you just need to submit, and an agent will consult to, an agent will consult you so that you can discuss how to set up your account, how to set up your Stamply application. And yes, that's it. So right here on the Stamply, let's just discuss the website itself. So right here under products, so here's a breakdown of what content and sections their site offers. So as you can see on the homepage, you can see the product overview. It explained the platform's procure to pay story, key capabilities, and etc. etc. And right here for the accounts payable under products, so this is the product page. So inside this dedicated product page describing invoice processing automation, AI integration, etc. So this is AP automation. You can boost your finance team efficiency by 90%. And this is what they offer. They have AI copilot. It automates cost allocation, approval routing, and more. Built-in discussion. You can message both coworkers and vendors inside your workspace. You can have it is very simple for approvers. It actually has a one intuitive screen, no training required. It's actually easy to use, and it has adaptable workflows. They have fixed or dynamic approval processes, support complex PO, partial amounts, partial receipts, split POs, etc., etc. And for this Stampli procurement, they have procurement overview, every request, every workflow, and every conversation. They have an overview for that. And also employee purchasing portal, customizable forms for every type of request. They have fulfillment workflows. They have digital desk trays that adapt to any process, and etc. etc. You can just explore this product page right here, so that you can just you know the financial operation platform of Stamply works, and all of their features. You can see it right here. And for their integration, as you can see, they integrates with top ERPs. So for example, Deltec Costpoint, ECI software, Epicor, Abila MIP, Blackboard Financial Edge, etc. Gold Point System Infor, some of the best companies ERPs that you can find. You can use it right here because Stamply integrates them. So built in house in advance and to completion. Yeah, you can see all of this right here. Top ERP integration, Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, Sage Intacct, SAP ECC. Yeah, all of this ERPs right here. You can use it. And how do they do it? Stamply integration difference. So because it's easy to learn, you can just click learn how to see more about Stamply integration. And for the why Stamply, so this is actually a resource and blogs. You can see more about blogs, forums, guides, white papers, case studies, implementation advice, AP automation content, etc. You can see all of these forums right here, so that you would know why Stamply is actually a good platform for a procurement. So their platform, they have a seamlessly experience across AP purchasing, vendor management, payments, and credit cards and beyond. And yeah, they integrate very easy because they are very easy to use. And also they have a unparalleled AI. They have 10 years of AI expertise that makes you light years more efficient. So they have Billy and cognitive AI. So this is one of their best AI that you can use. And for the lightning deployment, you can have a guide to implementation. Read 5 reasons why Stamply is so easy to to deploy. You can just click this one and read it why it is very important. And you can have also support from experts by experts. So they hire uh their CS and training team straight out of finance, and it's actually good. And that's it. So this is their delighted customers. Wensbach, Online Pets, Mulligan, Parcel, VentureBit, and Construction Dive. And for more resources, you can just cli- uh, go to this Discover Stamply to learn more about Stamply, to see how Stamply can help your business. They have a news and insight, customer success team, careers, and Stamply across industry. So you can see how Stamply function across industries. So for example, agriculture, you can control and gain visibility into your payables with highly flexible accounts payable automation system to better support the rest of the farm to cultivate a better yield. So for the automotive, Stamply helps the auto industry process invoices at full throttle, and you can just click each of this section to read more about how Stamply helps on each industries right here. And yes, that's it. And lastly, for the pricing, as I said, so this is where you can see the price of the Stamply pricing, and it actually have uh, a bunch of benefits that can help you how uh, to improve your account, to improve your business. So Stamply is the only procure to pay platform that connects every dot. And yes, that's it. So that's how Stamply is best suited for. So Stamply is best suited for medium to large organization with significant volume invoices. or companies that already use an ERP or accounting system and they don't want to replace it, but instead overlay a smarter AP layer. So they use Stampli, and that's it. So that's actually the Stampli website shows. And if you want, you can just go Let's Talk and request a demo, input your information so that you can use the Stampli application at full throttle. And yes, that's it. That's it for today's video. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.